Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to Hanson Never Done Farms on this crazy Monday. It has to be a Monday.
Yep.
Jeff is home from work because we had a little bit of a storm last night. It got a little windy.
And it took the whole side.
Took the whole south side of the barn off, guys. My goodness. That was some strong winds. The girls are all fine. They were a little skittish this morning, of course, but everybody got up and ate, and there's no damage anywhere else. Everybody else is fine, so it was just the south side of the barn. Jeff had already left for work by the time I got up here and saw it. And so I gave him a call and I started clean up. Everything from the barn was in the mud. And anyways, he got to work, set somebody else to the task that he was to do today, and he came home so we could get that mess cleaned up. Anyways, that is what's on the docket for today. But anyways, we're going to get busy.
Yep, we're busy.
Trying to get that at least buttoned back up a little bit until it can get a full redo. We'll be back with you momentarily. We'll update you guys when it's done. It's going to take
A little while.
a little bit longer than just a few minutes. So anyways, that's our Monday. Hope your guys' is better.